Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. So in the last video, we have seen just a high level architecture of UiPath, means how does the UiPath package comes in. We have also seen what are the components of UiPath, right? Like the UiPath Studio, and we have the robots might be attended or unattended based on your project, and then we have the centralized space called Orchestrator. Yes, so in this video section, we are going to see the UI perspective of Orchestrator. So how the Orchestrator user interface looks like, okay, and what are the capabilities of the Orchestrator. We'll just start with very basic level and then we will move to advanced level in upcoming videos. Okay, so let me launch the Orchestrator first. Yes, so if you see the UI of the Orchestrator, it will look something like this. Okay, so in the left navigation pane you will see the monitoring section, you will see the automation section, you will see the actions, and then you can see the management. Okay, and keep this in mind. So this section and the UI will keep on changing, not up to major extent, but the UiPath team will keep on adding the new builds or new functionalities, right? And yeah, so this will keep on changing. Okay, so what if whenever I use the UiPath orchestrator for the very first time, and what I'm doing right now here is it's very different, means they have added a lot of things here even that I don't know basically, because if you see the storage buckets, my action administrator, so these are the new functionality they have added, which I'm not that confident on. Okay, so let's keep that aside. So this is the UI, means the user interface or the home page of the UiPath orchestrator. Okay, so let's start with very simple topics. Okay, we will just see what are the capabilities here. Yes, so first is robots. Okay, so here you can create the robot. Okay, and we have the job section here, so we can run the jobs. Okay, we can select the processes and run. So this we will be doing at the end. So the orchestrator is nothing but just a centralized repository or a centralized space, okay, in order to just configure or manage your automation process. So you should keep it in mind, like orchestrator is nothing but the your project manager. Okay, so orchestrator will take the robots are nothing but each employees. Okay, and the orchestrator will assign the task to each robot in order to execute the specific task in different environment, or it could be one environment. It all depends on the configuration. So this way you should just keep the things as simple as possible when you are doing or when you are working at the very beginner level. So once we keep on doing lot of videos, so at the end you may be definitely, I'm sure you all will be get a most hands on and you will get each and every concept of orchestrator. Okay, so this is all about the UI of the orchestrator. We have the processes. Okay, so this picture, this will come into picture when we push some workflows to orchestrator, or will deploy some workflows to the orchestrator. Triggers are basically used to configure in order to schedule your robot, means if you want to run your robot or workflows at a particular time, hourly, monthly, yes, twice in a day, everything is configurable by using triggers. Okay, queues are one which are used to manage the data or to hold the data. We will definitely start with the assets and queues. Okay, and then assets are nothing but your assets, like your user credentials, your you can say uh, uh, the URL if you are using different environments. Okay, so this we are going to see it right now. Okay, and then we have robots, we have machines for configurations, we have packages, right? Packages are nothing but the deployed objects. You can call packages as an objects, it all depends on your terminology. Okay, so this is a very high level understanding of orchestrator, but definitely once we if we start working on each and every module, we'll definitely come to know in depth only once we do the hands-on. Because if we keep on going through the theoretical aspects, then it looks simple, but we have to do lot of hands on, then only you will become more comfortable and you'll get a more hold out of it. Okay, so this is all about the UiPath orchestrator. So in the next video we are going to discuss about orchestrator queues, and then in the coming videos we are just going to discuss about orchestrator assets, means how to use the assets, how to use the queues. Okay, thank you, we'll see you in next video.